Good day mga ka-CRT! Welcome again to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to discuss the calculator technique using Canon 789 SGA in solving arithmetic progression. Let's begin. For our first example, given the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11. So this is the first term, 2, second term, 5, third term, 8, fourth term, 11, and so on. Find the 23rd term. So for arithmetic progression, the calculator technique is in Canon 789 SGA. First step is press mode, select 3, that is the option for stat, 3. Select the lin or linear, that is 2. And the table for x and y will appear in the screen of our calculator. So the requirement is only 2 entries. It can be the first term and the second term. So for the column of x, this correspond to the term. If the first term, that will be 1. And for the second term, that will be 2. For the column y, this is the equivalent value of each term. So for first term, this is equivalent to 2 in our given. For the second term, this is 5. Again, the requirement here is only 2 entries. You can select from the given values of terms. In this example, I use the first term and the second term only. And after entering the required values, press CA, then press the apps. This is under the shift. Press up, choose regression, that is number 8, and choose caret y, that is number 5. Then in front of caret y, type the required term. So in this case, 23rd term. So you have to type 23 in front of caret y. Then press equal sign. The calculator will give the 23rd term, and that is number 68. And 68 is in letter D. Let us solve the next example. Given the arithmetic sequence 10, 15, 20, and 25. Find the 17th term. So let us press again, mode 3, 2. And for the column X, let us use again first and second term. So enter 1 and 2. Go to column Y, enter the exact value for the first term, and that is 10. For the second term, that is 15. Then press equal sign after the 15. So we already have the requirements, the 2 entries in this column. So let us now press CA. Then press apps, select 8 for the regression, and select the caret Y. So press 5. In front of caret Y, okay, enter 17. And press equal sign. Our calculator will give 90. And 90 is in letter B. For our next example, given the arithmetic sequence, A6 equals 15. So the sixth term is 15. A10 equals 31. So the 10th term is 31. Find the 50th term. So let us go to our calculator, press mode 32. And for this example, the given are 6 term and 8 term. So for the column X, we will input 6 for the 6th term and 10 for the 10th term. Go to the column Y, enter the value for the 6th term, and that is 15. For the 10th term, that is 31. Okay, so press CA, press apps, then select 8, select 5, and in front of caret Y, enter the number 50 for the 50th term. Then press equal sign. So the calculator will give 191. And that is in letter B. Thank you once again for visiting our channel. You can leave a comment and please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you all.